In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a one-person business in which you are going to have the potential to earn $1,000 per day or even more. Something really important, guys, is that this is not something magical that is going to be happening overnight. First of all, you have to learn and you have to be consistent with your implementation. You need to be committed with yourself. You need to be committed with your success. Okay, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know here so you can actually have the opportunity to do this if this is something that you're looking for. My name is Diana Castillo, and the reason why I'm really passionate about online businesses is because I was able to replace not one, but two full-time jobs, and also I was able to pay all my debts. This is the reason why I actually have this YouTube channel and I'm sharing tons of information because I know that there are people out there who are looking for an opportunity. They're doing some research, which is actually super important. Always do due diligence. I'm going to show you everything. As I told you before, I'm going to share with you this because this is actually what's worked for me. And I recently realized that there's a lot of people out there who are sharing one-person businesses, but to be honest, they are not doing anything. Uh, and this is something that I has been doing for at least 7 to 8 years at the time recording this video, and it's still relevant. Okay, so how this actually works? Okay, how this actually works. First of all, if you want to earn money online, you will need to have a product or a service. And don't worry, you don't have to create your own product. You don't have to deliver a service. Okay, there is a way in which you can actually be like a middleman. There are tons of companies out there who have what we call an affiliate program, basically in which you're going to be promoting other people, products, and services in exchange for a commission. For example, Amazon has this type of programs, Adidas, Under Armour, Target, Walmart, Best Buy, and others. So more than 80% of the companies on the internet, they do have these type of programs. There are places that we actually call marketplace in which you can actually find these type of products. For example, here we have ClickBank. Here on ClickBank, you can actually join for free, and you're gonna go here where it says affiliates start here. Okay, sometimes they do have a questionnaire, sometimes they don't. Okay, and they're gonna be asking some information about your kind of expertise, like if you are new or if you have some kind of experience, but everybody can join. I think this is the oldest marketplace. And as you can see here, they already pay over $7.1 billion in commission, and they do have over 100,000 active affiliates. Here you're going to have the opportunity to find products in different languages, also services. They do have physical and digital products in different niches. Okay, there is also another marketplace that is called JVSU. JVSU, it's more about softwares and digital products. Okay, as you can see here, they have 1 million plus promoters, and they already pay over 4 billions in sales. Okay, so you are also gonna have the opportunity to create your account for free. Okay, and you can start promoting your favorite products that are gonna be listed here on JVSU. Okay, so take that into consideration that there are other marketplaces. Okay, here you're gonna see different steps and all the stuff, and you can actually go and join here for free. Here where it says start earning in hours, create a free account. Okay, there is also another marketplace, and this is the one I'm going to be using here, which is called Copecard. Copecard, it's a marketplace in which you're going to have the opportunity to promote products and services. But one really nice thing about Copecard is that you're going to have the opportunity to promote what we call high ticket products. So that means that they're going to be products in which you are going to be earning at least $1,000. Okay, at least $1,000 for every single person who purchased a product using your link. Okay, Diana, do I have to go and promote these products? Or can I go what we call low ticket products? That means that you're going to be earning a commission of $30 and so on. Okay, everything depends on what your goal is going to be like. Because, for example, I'm telling you here, okay, I'm telling you here, like the goal is to earn at least $1,000 per day. That doesn't mean that you're going to be earning that amount, okay, per day, or you're going to be getting sales every single day. This is going to be on average. But let's say that you're going to be like, okay, at the beginning, I don't want to go with $1,000 per day. I want to earn $1,000 per month, okay, or maybe less than that, okay, because you are getting started. So if you're gonna go and says like, okay, rather than $1,000 per day, it's gonna be $1,000 per month, and you're gonna be promoting a product in which you're earning $1,000. Literally, you just need one sale per month, and you're gonna achieve your goals. Okay, but for example, here on Cope Card, we have this program in which they are paying, the commission is going to be 25,000. Okay, 10% plus 25,000. If I scroll down, for example, we have this one that is going to be 15,000. That's actually your commission. If I scroll down, here we have 5,000. That's actually going to be your commission. $3,000 here, 2,500, 2,000. 1,200. Okay, so let's say that you're gonna go with this product. Okay, so you will need to understand more about how this product works, what is actually included, and when you are actually ready, you can go and you can click here where it says promote. This is how you're actually gonna get your affiliate link. Okay, so take that into consideration. Okay, so there are other products here, and the reason why I'm showing you this is because I know that at the beginning most people are like, okay, how on earth people are paying for these services? Okay, so this is actually high ticket. Okay, this is actually what it called high ticket. What else do you need? Okay, I'm going to show you in a moment. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and if you want to learn what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. So what else do we actually need in order to accomplish our goal? Well, we're going to need a two-page system. Okay, we're going to need a two-page system. And the cool thing nowadays is that you can start this 100% for free. Okay, I'm actually going to be leaving a link below so you can open a 100% free account to the tool that I use that is called System.io. System.io is an all-in-one marketing solution. So literally you can start with a free account. Okay, this is not going to be a free trial. It's a free account. You can start 100% for free and you can actually do what I'm going to show you in a moment. Okay, so you're going to have a two-page system. You don't need to have any kind of coding skill. You don't need to have to be a graphic designer, okay? And this is the system that is going to be working for you 24/7. This is how I was able to replace 2 full-time jobs, okay? Because I set up my system once, and after that, it's going to be working for me. So basically, this is how the system is going to work, okay? You're going to be capturing people's name and email address, okay? Then we're going to have what we call a bridge page. Okay, here we're going to be introducing the product. Okay, this can be text, this can be actually a video, and this is now what is going to be the product page. Okay, and here, this is how you're going to be earning a commission. Okay, the reason why we are doing this and not a way that most people are doing is that they are, sharing right away your affiliate link. Because first, with these high ticket products, people are not going to be doing the purchase right away. Okay. The other thing is that this is going to what we call a hit and miss strategy. Diana, what does that mean? That if people make the purchase, and this happened also with low ticket products, you're going to be happy, but you are leaving a lot of money on the table because you are not going to be able to promote other products or other services. Okay, and if they don't purchase, that doesn't mean that they are not interested in the product. That means that they were not ready to make the purchase. Okay, maybe they don't have the money right away. Maybe depending on the product, they need to do a little bit more research. They need to have a little bit more information, or maybe they are like, hey, I'm actually thinking of purchasing in a couple of days for whatever reason. Okay, so take that into consideration. Okay, so with that said, as I mentioned before, since we're going to be capturing their name and email address, we're going to have the opportunity to promote. Oops, this is supposed to be an envelope. Okay, we're going to have the opportunity to promote this product multiple times, or you can promote another product or another service, and this is something that you configure once, and after that it's going to be working for you. Okay, so what else do you actually need? You already have your product, you already have your service. Okay, now you need what we call traffic. Traffic, it's literally just eyeballs. So that means that there are going to be people who are actually going to be looking for information. For example, they can be watching a YouTube video. You can actually do a YouTube video, and don't worry, these can be faceless. Okay, these can be faceless. You can actually do shorts, a short form content. It can be a 5 to 7 second video, and you can actually do that. Okay, you don't need to talk. Literally, you can put some text and a trending music, and that's it. Okay, so how do you actually build the system? As I told you before, you're going to be using a tool that is called System.io. Okay, once you have it, your account's going to be looking something like this. You're going to go to sites, then you're going to click here where it says sales funnels, then you're going to click here where it says create. You're going to put in the name. The name here is just for your internal use. If you have a domain, which I strongly suggest you to go with one, it can be as low as sometimes even less than $12 per year. Yeah, you hear it actually right. It's $12 per year. So if you have one, you're going to connect it here. It can be a .com, .net. There are other extensions as well. Choose one that you like. Then you're going to click here where it says build on audience. You're going to put the leave the currency because we are not going to touch it. And you're going to click here where it says save. So now you're going to have the two pages that I show you. Okay, this one is a capture page. So you're going to see that you're going to have different designs here, and this is something really cool because you don't have to start from scratch. This is literally a drag and drop builder, so you don't need to have any kind of technical knowledge. Literally, you're going to choose the design that you want. Delete an element if you want to delete an element, add an element if you want to add an element as well. Okay, and here on the thank you page, okay, here is what we call the bridge page. And this is how you can actually have your system. Okay, that is actually going to be working for you 24/7. Okay, so you can promote with this system, you can promote as many products and services as you want. So you can have an ecosystem, or you can go and just promote one. At the end of the day, it's going to be depending up to you. As I told you before, there are low ticket products, there are high ticket products. You can have a combination of both. And there are other type of products that's called recurring, for example, in which you're going to have the opportunity to earn commission on a monthly basis. Literally, you're going to be referring one person, one to a product or a service, and you're going to be earning a commission every single month. So if you want to learn more about this, check the very first link in the description. I hope you guys enjoy this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, share this content with someone you think he or she might be interested, and I see you guys on the next video.